How to fix Binance deposit suspended. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the deposit suspended issue on your Binance account. If you're unable to deposit funds into your account and see this message, don't worry, I'll guide you through the possible causes and solutions. Let's jump right in. The deposit suspended error usually occurs due to 1. Ongoing maintenance. Binance might temporarily suspend deposits for system upgrades. 2. Account restrictions. Your account could be restricted due to incomplete verification or suspicious activity. 3. Network congestion. For crypto deposits, the blockchain network might be experiencing high traffic, causing delays. Open the Binance app or website and go to the News or Announcements section. Look for updates about deposit suspensions for specific networks, cryptocurrencies, or maintenance schedules. If it's due to maintenance, you'll need to wait until Binance announces the service is back online. Ensure that your Binance account is fully verified. Go to Settings, Account Verification and check if your KYC, Know Your Customer, process is complete. If not, complete the KYC by submitting the required documents. Verification issues can often cause deposit restrictions. If the deposit is for a specific cryptocurrency, ensure its network is fully functional. Go to Wallet eDeposit and search for the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Binance will display any ongoing network issues or temporary suspensions for that asset. If you've verified your account and there's no announcement about maintenance, reach out to Binance support. Tap on Support at the bottom of the app or website. Click Get Support and describe your issue as eDeposit suspended. Binance will connect you to live chat support to help resolve your problem. If the suspension is due to maintenance or network issues, the best course of action is to wait. Binance will notify users once deposits are re-enabled. Make sure to enable notifications on your Binance app to stay updated. And that's how you fix the deposit suspended issue on Binance. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or face other issues, drop them in the comments below, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.